Welcome back to the bus. As we are heading to Gullfoss waterfall, I would like to tell you some facts about the Geysir. The Geysir is probably world's most famous spouting hot spring. And the basic structure of Geysir is divided into two sections. The upper part is a bowl-like basin with the diameter of 15 meters and depth of 2 meters. The lower part is a shaft-like structure with the diameter of 3 meters and depth of over height of 22 meters. The water temperature in the upper part is about just below the boiling point, between the 85 to 95 Celsius degree. When we go deeper down to the earth, about 10 meters depth, the water temperature is that high that the water started to boil. It's very interesting to tell you that when water changed into the steam, the volume of water gets 1700 times bigger as a steam. So when the water starts to boil, the boiling itself accelerated and creates a chain reaction and reach the surface of the geyser, and then of course the steam comes out of it. In the Geysir geothermal area, there are many different hot springs, and even though the Geysir is silent now, the stroker still erupts regularly, and stroker's eruption is shorter than what we know of the previous Geysir eruption, but more powerful in a sense. As we are going to Gullfoss waterfall now, I would like to tell you how the Gullfoss is formed. Kvitau River runs across the highland to the southern lowland, and the edge of the highland is kind of background for the Gullfoss waterfall could be formed there. Gullfoss has two steps of waterfall. In total, it's about 30 meters. So it's 10 meters and 20 meters step. These steps are made out of a lava flow with the sediment rock underneath it. The lava flow is hard and very difficult for the Kvitau River to erode. On the other hand, the sediment rocks are quite soft. Therefore, it's much faster for the river to erode it. So, first step is the erosion, massive erosion, not the upper part, but underneath it. The sediment rocks are gone after the erosion, so the overhang will be formed. When the sediment rock supporting the upper part, which is the lava flow, cannot hold it anymore, the overhang will be collapse. Therefore, the waterfalls are kind of continuously made. There are different theories of how the Gullfoss is made, but I'm not going to go into it. But I would like to tell you the significance of Gullfoss in terms of the history of nature conservation in Iceland. Um, there is actually a statue of a lady named Sigurður Tómasdóttir. She is probably one of first Iceland's activists and environmentalist, because she was against harnessing the Gullfoss waterfall in the early of 20th century. Uh, because of her lifelong time effort, uh, we still can enjoy this magnificent waterfall Gullfoss on these days.